online shoppers. I just got the most adorable little Christmas tree and I'm about to unbox it for the first time. This is the Puelo International 4.5 Aspen Fir and it looks so cool in the pictures. I can't wait to see if it looks that great when I have it set up here in my basement. Let's open this up. There's one piece. Now it's pre-lit, which is pretty cool. Got the base. And here's the bottom. It's only 2 pieces, plus the base, of course. Instruction manual, and what I'm after is the replacement lights. The base is pretty much a standard Christmas tree base. Now, all you have to do once you get it open is take this little screw, open up the feet, and then you feed the little screw into the hole like this and turn it like that. Now, I don't turn it too far because I find it interferes with actually getting the whole of the tree into the base. I'm gonna open this guy up. There we go. Well, this is cute. Now, it has a little end cap on it. I love that they actually paint the base brown so that it looks more tree-like. Gonna give it a little tighten like that. The attention to details, like the brown finish on the base, I think are awesome. I'm just gonna fluff now. I guess the trick when you're tightening is to make sure you don't tighten it too much so you can actually spin it because it makes it easier to fluff. You don't have to get up on your knees to do it. Now there's a really interesting consistency to these. They have some that are a little bit more like plastic, but they actually look more realistic, which is I like. There you have it. I've plugged in this absolutely adorable Christmas tree. Now, I actually think this is one of the coolest trees I've ever put together. It was 2 parts plus the base, and the branches have this ridiculously awesome texture to them. It's like a little bit more like plastic, but it actually looks more real. And I absolutely love this Christmas tree. It is awesome. I know I have to find just the right spot for this because it's so cute. Because this one here is a 4.5-foot tree. It has 250 little white lights, and the branches, the style of branches for this, when I first got it out of the box, I didn't think I was gonna like it, but I think I actually like this better than a traditional Christmas tree branch because I definitely am not gonna have any trouble hanging ornaments on here because the branches are really strong and these needles are much more lifelike and they'll do a great job of holding the ornaments in place. I think this is fantastic. I can't say enough good things about this one. It's adorable. Now this one comes in a 6-foot, a 7.5-foot, and a 9-foot style. I bet you they are just as great as this one. If you are looking for a really nice kind of non-traditional Christmas tree, this one here is the Aspen Fir by Puelo International. It is gorgeous. I am over the moon happy with it, and it is definitely going to be a family favorite at my house.